Hello everyone, welcome to my yet another stream. Today we're gonna be working on a same project as yesterday, which should go pretty flawlessly. Yep. Let's give it a like, shall we? Alright, very good. So now alright, so now yeah. What did I say at the end of the stream? I don't quite remember, but I think we were gonna work on camera and making the AI moves. I think alright. Wait, oh, I didn't mean there. Wait, what? So yeah, let's rewrite this so we won't forget it, you know. What? Oh yeah, because in this is actually folder, so yep, works pretty closely. And the AI now it's ready to go. Now it's going here, then a bit here or something. No, no. Okay, now it's here. Trust. Okay, it's here now. Trust me. Okay. It's just the case then here, bro. Okay, I mean, yeah, seems like it works pretty fine, and the FPS seems pretty much still honestly. So this looks like just you know, boom, going around everywhere, and we don't definitely want that. First of all, we don't even have a GitHub for this. Let's have a GitHub set up for it, and then we can continue. So today we're gonna be working in sidebar. No, it's here. Here exactly. And also we're gonna simplify most of the things so like we don't get overwhelmed when looking at the code. So there is no name yet, so today top down seems pretty good to me for now. It's a private, and I mean it's a private, so but let's still choose I don't know, JNS seems fine to me, or the unlicensed. Yep, let's do this. Wait, instead of license, let's put in no license, and let's add a readme, because all I want to do is from the gate and then put the gate, and wait, actually I don't want the HTTP because I'm logged in with the SSH. Yep. Wait, how do we open? What was the GNOME's file manager called? All right. Now, wait, what? Add a launch. Okay, let's do it from here then. Okay, there you go. Found it. So it was in documents, projects. Where is to the top down? There you go, to the top down. And so on. Now you can close, no, close this. Git add, git commit, initial commit, git push. Now it should be, yeah, that's pretty much it. And we forgot to remove this. So, yeah, we now have this. Let's proceed and work on the game. So first of all, what we're gonna do is smooth out the village. Whenever it reaches a point, we gotta wait like 3 seconds, and for those 3 seconds, um we don't want to use an extract rate for that. I mean, it seems pretty much overkill. So another mistake, we can make it wait. So what can we do to wait? So we can wait for we have time that is 0. So now for every call, all we're gonna do is time plus equals to 1 times fifth, then time, and it's gonna pull in now loads wait time. So now we return if wait time is time. Let's try and compile if this works, which it should, and it does. Now if waits like 5 seconds, standard out 5 sec reached. No. Me. Should be anytime soon. Still no. Something must be wrong. I mean, there is a split timer in C++, I believe, without any extra things. But that would require us to have extract rate, which I didn't want. Crazy, bro. Like, how why did you do that? Like, it could have been very easy to me. I mean, if that doesn't work, then we'll definitely go for this one. Wait, GLFW. Okay, we still have to wait. So our best bet is to use this, I guess. Let's see though. Like, I mean, I don't know why this doesn't work. Can we check it though? Okay. So, yep. Can do that. Absolutely. I think that works very flawlessly. So, okay, now we say the time 0 and we return. Yeah. Otherwise, it's false. Once we got timer, it's all easy. Probably the hardest part is like getting the timer to work. Cause it's passing timers really do suck. just like dark notes. Well, we don't want that. Or do we? Yes, we do. I mean, if it's getting cold every second, that means it's getting like reset every few seconds. Every frame, actually. It's fun, man. Alright, cool. So, let's ask ChatGPT why the. Sir, I can show you. Mr. Time is 8. Oh, but that should not affect it, but you know, I wanted to plot. So, okay, it is float now. Okay. Yep. So you're saying it should work flawlessly, right? I bet you no, it doesn't. Holy shit, bro. I think that's what I did, and it's not working. Okay, no, it's not working. if you think that, then what I'm gonna do, if the timer reaches, okay, I don't think we have a proper window closing system. We've been crashing it this whole time. Alright, let's see. 5 seconds. Close. See, it doesn't close. Told you. So yeah, we seem to be using um turrets, which I initially didn't want that. Okay, so I guess you're gonna use a multiple trait, huh? Trait and what did you say? Piranha. That we compile, yes it does, for sure. And say for something second. We put that like in a variable. Previous time, now it's a previous time. Okay, this is the simple one. This way execution poses. So like that means if I'm waiting. Wait, am I dumb? I was waiting without spawning it with anything this whole time. Now it's great. Wait, let's find a better place for this thing. Let's take here. Now it should close. Okay, it's kind of that the general is initialization focal dump. Yeah, it worked. So like std, yeah, roast, or like timer, like without even having to use. So every 5 seconds, it should say timer and go. Where's timer? Hey, bud. Yo, say something. Say timer. So what we can do right now is let's just draw a rectangle. First of all, this shit looks alright. Now it's great. Draw rectangle 0 0 1000 and pin Let's see if it's gonna do that. Our whole screen should turn to pink, and it didn't. Yep, it didn't. Oh man, it did for a second. Then it gets false. Okay. So what I can do right now in this case is make like a variable that's like shit false. Then um in this case what we can do right now is set shit to true, and then if shit is true, I think it just works this way as well. But not recommended. So you wanna do draw rectangle 0, 0, 1000, okay, and pink. Oh, oh yeah. I mean, it's just to work. I mean, am I crazy or something? Oh, very cool. Let's wait 5 seconds. And pink, yeah. Timer. You wanna check? Uh, it's a 5 minutes. Yep, it is. Yep. Let's make it 6. And let's put it here. 3, 2, 1. There we go. That was exactly 5 seconds. But my question is that work if I put it here. You can see now. Really? No. No, it does not. Like here you go. Another 5 second. And no. So all we can do right now is instead of recalling everything. Is and um so let's find a way to make this work. So like we can have like shape to as well. So now what we can do is take this, put it there, and that's only if shape 2 is true. If it's true. Oh no, this is just horrible code, bruh. Then we're gonna launch it. So when do we do that? Oh come on, I wasn't even doing like, well that's my bad. Let's try it again. Oh, wrong. While so let's do now. Now it should turn pink because it is now launched. Seems like same issue honestly. I mean there you go, another 5 second. 6 actually, but still same thing because it's being called every second. Means that's not good. Scale this out. Now we can do. This should already be already trees. Jeez. Yeah, 5 seconds, you know. Right. Well, we have been trying, and we wanna do shit to true. I know how bad this one looks. I'll fix that in a moment. Let's do 5 seconds here. Should be all good. And there. Now it's fake and oh no. It's gonna be turning pink when it reaches one or something. Okay, it did, but that was like I'm pretty certain. Okay, just launch when it reaches. Alright, now it started. 2, 1. Alright, there it goes. This is gonna be so each player should have um which is all now. What we can do is now we want to check the picture. Oh, picture. Well, that's version again. That was my bad. But now we want to check. We want to check for every villager. So if it has reached, then we want to wait 5 seconds, right? So if village dot this reached response to true. If it's true, then we will wait 5 seconds for proceeding. So how can we do that? Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't even know, honestly. So the village just reached its destination. That's true. Now we gotta wait 5 seconds before executing this. Means let's put wait. And how do we do that? Like the sheet 2. Then let's make sheet 2 is true. Then after that, then it's posits to do whatever it wants. Now we have this. Oh no, it's not gonna wait it here because this we never set this true. So we like the destination rest true. All right, sweet. Let's say stop place. No, fuck you. Okay. So if shit is true, then where the shit is true, if shit is true, then um, yeah, I'm completely out of my mind here by my own fucking logics. So what I can do right now is, if it's true, then we gotta wait till this um it goes. Alright, so what we can do right now, we'll set alls and What did we remove there? I think nothing. All this. Then if then here we're gonna set the village destination reached to false. And since we cannot access that from here, we're gonna have to create the variable here. This all requires its own if it is true, then village dot destination reached is false. Sure, that compiles and that one as well. So yep, it's going directly X. Sweet. Now we wait. Then we proceed, don't we? No, we don't. But yeah, we are waiting. Still waiting though. All of them reaches their destination and doesn't move, which is not good. So now, which could be the issue is now it says reached, and after it's reached, we don't proceed. Then we wanna wait and let's wait, bro, I'm going crazy on this shit. This runs every 5 seconds non-stop, right? So then it says shit true, and if shit is true, then we do this, and I think we should make shit itself false. It's turning spaghetti, and it's gonna move, continue, just, no, it did not, so maybe now, nope. So for better view, I'm gonna rename shit. So shit, I don't know what shit is supposed to be. I think this is the whole function that gives this is the where gives the village random location. Void give AI point. All right. Sweet. So now we gotta get the village, and the village is the village of village. Now here give AI point village. Push downs. Nope. It should work fine, I suppose. I mean, that never gets called, so this never gets called means village destination reached is always true. And this never gets called, she never gets called. And it has to be true. Every 5 seconds she is true. To make sure that I think we can just clean that up. Draw paste and 0 820 y. Okay, it's a ball Can we do like string? String. Oh no. Super plus equal to string, yeah. What? So we gotta do the same thing. Uh, Now what we wanna do. I think this one is better, but I don't wanna go up there just to include format. So we're gonna just do. Here we do have the boolean. We did the boolean created here, so that was when the boolean was created. So now we're gonna use standard string SF base means here as shit, which is std string, and the boolean variable is shit. And there is some wrong because I forgot to put this here. Should be all fine. We don't see it though. Where the fuck is it? It should be. Well, let's try to make. Uh, let's try to make it a. Then test if this works. And nope, we don't see it. Means there is coordination problem. Let's put it somewhere like 650. Yeah, we can see now. Now instead of 650, let's try 700. Either ways, we can see it. Shell 0. 1, no. What the fuck do you mean? What if for some variable that I'm sure is changed? So, um, it shows 0 though. What could be the issue? Also, that means shit is always false. Or is it at the time of doing it? So let's try to put it here. Still 0, 0, 0, 0. So first of all, what the fuck is shit? What the hell is it supposed to do? So sheet 2. How about that? You wanna make sure if that's like true or false. Yes, it gets true. Sheet 2 gets true at some point. Then sheet 2. Okay, first of all, what the fuck is sheet, right? What does she do? So if sheet 2 is false. If sheet is true, sheet 2 gets 2 means. Okay, we didn't give it enough time. Okay, no, not for sheet 2. Sheet. So let's give it 5 seconds. There you go. Should be true though. And no, it did not turn. Which sucks, honestly. So village destination reached. I'm gonna ask AI what I was trying to do. I'm completely lost, honestly. So we can make this is village test true, and let's find sheet 2, and let's set the let's put down what was that? I forgot. Is village destination true? And as well as here is village destination true. Cool. Screw the file. So what we wanna do right now is now change sheets. This one to wait, can we like well, so as sheets with reset paste reached flag then slash G and enter means that everything is fixed and should behave the way how it used to. Alright. So now shit. Okay, it's not shit anymore. We said destination reached flag. So is flag destination true? So when do we do that? Wait, I did nothing. Right. So now, what do we do now? It was never true. For it to be true, we gotta know if the destination is true. And yeah, is let's check for this one. Now what we're gonna do is so now instead of this we're gonna do oh god, is village district is village destination true. And so we're gonna put no, and so we're gonna copy this and let's do this one. Oh, and paste it here. Oh, wrong place to paste it. Why? Now we wanna do the issue is this not being true. I mean, if I copy that and copy that, then paste it here. Right, that's it. Okay, it's still not true. What the hell? Isn't it in the loop? Yes, it is. If this is true, then this gotta be true. Why is it not true? Okay, it should be true anytime. Wait, it should have been true before. Huh? What? Is there something overriding? Overriding it? Like, wrist, wrist, wrist. So this does not override, just takes the data and yep, convert that, and then let's see. But only if that was true. Otherwise, no. What if I just blindly do it? If it's false, then set it true. Still does not proceed. Wait, I think the bug might be on this loop right here where we give you the points. Only if it's true. If it's false, we what if we give it a point either ways? Then it works. I mean, it doesn't have to wait for that. So it means this is never getting called. And for it to get called, if I'll say you wanna check if village the lists with false, then wait, if it's true, it's gonna be false. If the village doesn't reach, if the village reached its destination, then it's true. Alright, sweet. Works. 10 today. Where is that? Here, right. If village falls. Zero and village wait time. Oh yeah, let's just do that now. No. Okay. So um yeah, let's see what's wrong. Holy moly. This is taking longer than I expected. So if it's false then now we have that. Village doorway timer is 0.08. Else village wait timer be added by delta time. Which the delta is its frame time Right. Now we check again here if the village wait timer is in 5 seconds. Oh, so like we don't need the function in general. So if village dot wait timer is 5.08, now we give it then what do we do after that? Destination false village dot destination reached false. Okay, there is something wrong. It's just like it's oh, what's wrong? It's 165. Okay, we opened somewhere but did not close it. This one is closed. Yep, this one as well. And then inside that we do have this whole thing. This one is also closed. This one is also closed. And this one is also closed. So we have 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3, 4 opens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 closes. I don't know why it's complaining, but yeah. This is supposed to be with the for loop. No, the for loop needs to have its own. Right, it's compiled. Oh, we don't even see the AI or anything. Let's check why. Where? In the village destination true, village destination. Let's search it. Village destination reached true. Here. It says oh, don't miss destination is true. Okay, we don't have that. Okay, and village destination true. Village the destination reached is true, and if we timer, we set the timer to 0, and I think everything is correct from this. Okay, we still don't see anything. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, then now we have if which can be else. Then if the village wait timer, we add a frame delta and village wait timer around 5 seconds. Village give a point, village pick a new destination, village destination reached is now false. So now if this is false, okay, So if this is false, then I'll does it compile? No, wait. I didn't mean to run it. Does it compile? No, it doesn't. So a lot of things must have broke. Wait, no. This one should have this. What? No. So like now we're confused. Let's check it uh with this. You know, it's gonna tell us where the issue is. No, it doesn't. Okay, first of all, this is here. One, one, two, three, four. Okay, so yep, there is error here. Expected statement. If this one is here. But we want this one to end here. We have the okay, that's correct. That's also correct. This should be here. This should be here. What the hell do you mean? What the fuck does it remember? Just that's we don't want the comment, do we? Absolutely not. So I expected this to take. Still same issue, honestly. It's open here, closes here. But it shouldn't have ended there. No, that is not what I copied. This shouldn't have moved this long. And it's just already pissing me off. Okay, here we go. Why is that? Is it because of this? Okay, so I I don't want that. Let's put that here. No, and let's remove this. Now the code is all good. I think it's compiled fine as well. Yep, it does. So now this is the if usage. I'll now I wanna take this into here. Wait, actually I don't want like this anymore. That's what is messing up my code. Let's run it, shall we? Wait. Okay. Wait 5 seconds. And move on. Hell yeah. We did it. Okay, let's see. With more. Right. It's working fine. Well, that's sweet. The headache is finally over. Now we're gonna have states. Wait, what? Is that a bug? What the fuck is it doing there? It must be a bug. I didn't say anything, it just stops there. This will. I think it's not reaching for this one. Let's follow. Wait, to make it easy for us to follow. Let's make one. Thanks. And this will go. Oh, here. Yeah, that was just a guess. Okay, that's not even close. That's, what is that because comparing float with integer. Yeah, that's what happens when you get lazy. Now let's I believe work on the camera. Now I hope that we don't break anything. Okay. Now we're good. No, we don't even need this anymore. Oh, I think we do. We do need one of them. Now we don't need this. So, what? And, what the hell is going on? Okay. I don't think we do need this as well. And here we are. Wait 5 seconds and move on to the next thing. Now let's make it more readable. What that's do is okay. Bool as village list list stands for destination, and then without so all we gotta do is take this return this, and don't know what village is doing, so we wanna get the village and as village destination village. Now we know what this does. If it reached, then we do some sort of stuff. Yeah, and now we don't need this anymore. Yep, it works. And yeah, that's about 170 FPS, which is great. Okay, good. Now we do have an AI that is much smoother. I think we can work on the camera system now. And instead of drawing them everywhere, we can make it so we can have class about camera 2D. I think that's gonna mess up the rarely one. So now we don't have this. We wanna create a camera. So wait, really camera system, camera system. So there, yep. How do I was it back? Hey, I like that it also has like some sort of clamp. Anyways, so no. Where's the okay, there you go. So we created camera today, and so I mean I don't think it's necessary to make it in a class. So I mean, are we gonna use more than one camera? I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do is a make function. Wait, let's push smooth AI system with push void camera image camera. So now we create a camera city. That's a camera. Oopsies. We wanna take the camera target greater to and x and y 0 0 by default, of course. Camera offset, offset vector 2, and it's also the offset screen width by half. So when we scale up, we also do wanna change that when we have that, Camera rotation is 0, and the camera zoom is 1 point. Right, so now there must be a way to access it. What we can do is so we got a code here means I wanna expect camera to do camera, and this is gonna be created somewhere else here, and with camera. Now we're good. So now here we can use all this works. So starting from here, everything gonna be pushed right in this one. Okay. Begin. Isn't that how it works? Begin mode 2D. Begin mode 2D. And it's a camera. And now we do also wanna push. We do wanna put. What mode am I? Now it should work. Push. Except this one. And now and mode 3D. Now should work. And yeah, I don't know where it is. It's not finding the world. The world is being drawn inside the camera. So if we though make it out, we would be able to see if we recompile it. And clicking such thing doesn't work. But yeah, shouldn't be hard. So now we want to update the camera. Right. Update camera. Now we wanna, can't be that way though. So if, but that can't be here. Right. So where's the inputs? Input how to the no. If you wanna give the camera the so if is but is key down key W Male adults. Uh, wait, my dumb. The target is what is it like looking at? It's for the right and left. If the key down player.x and the player.x is target, which means camera dot target plus is equals to 5 times the frame time. What's wrong? There is no much operations. Let's start with balance. No, it's not just basically tweaking. There is no much operator. Yes, there is. What the hell? Oh, yeah, maybe for this one, yeah, it makes sense, but yeah, what the hell for that one? Yeah, like this one, that's just crazy. Can I globally though? Oh, no, that's my bad. What? What do you want? Do you want me to specify like vector two? Might as well put it like this. What? Oh, yes, I tried. Didn't want. So, take it off. 5 times git frame time and .x. Actually, that's one. So everything is under the camera now. Yes, we should be able to see something, but we're not gonna see anything. Pretty sure. But I don't know if the camera is gonna do or something, anything like that. The camera zoom, let's make it like 100. I think the higher the value, the closer it gets. So maybe like 0.08 should be fine. Still don't see anything. Now we're using camera and the draw is being drawn at starting from 0, 0, 0. And the camera is also starting at the offset or at the target 0, 0. So this should be one. Yeah, let's add more of this. That was not what I copied. Yoink, paste, paste, and paste. So paste A D X X. That's minus. So where is it being drawn at? Like, okay, let's check here, shall we? What? Oh, okay. That's embarrassing, honestly. Fuck. Alright. First of all, I can't move the camera, that's because I'm also modifying, well, the copy of the camera, not the camera itself. Everything is inverted. This gotta be, uh, this gotta be this, and then this one. Oopsie. Alright. Wait, quite literally, it's quite the opposite. Okay, so we're back, and now we gotta get the mouse position. So to do that, oh, we gotta do everything is here. I believe there's where do we do that? Well, let's search. Git mouse position. There you go. Oh no. Git mouse position. And so check it by um and so we check it by git create new world 2D. No, 2D. So I think it's better to do like this way than this call every time. Where is the variable? So it's a vector 2 that is mouse world position that is mouse no gate world to string 2D gate mouse position dot x, I believe. No, it's vector 2, so we don't have to specify to camera, which then requires. So what we can do is just create the variable here. Oh, come on. Create the variable there, and here in the input handler, we're gonna update that every second. Mouse, world, position, and so the camera. What? Wait, what is going on? All I did was I don't think we can do that here. Okay, yep. Right, so now we have that. Right, now we have this. The next thing we wanna check is check if it's inside boundary, and we gotta check. Oh, we gotta check. Let's reply get mouse position. Wait, how was that? Replace word with a word in no word with thing. So it was ice. Yep. I was like confused there. Ace, right? Yep. What the old word is. Okay, now share to the new one, which is called mouse world uh pause it. Okay, you made a mistake here. Now you can do it though. Ace, the old one, create now pause to now well pause. Yep, I don't know why I didn't do that. It's like you're gonna have to do that manually. Also, why didn't this get replaced? Okay. Oh, no, no. Still it doesn't work. Even though this is being called every second. That means this is not responding with true. Yep, that could be the issue. It's 2D, so. Okay. Okay, that's still a now. I see. So what can we do right now? This could be the issue. So if it's in the world, I think it varies or something. Gotta compare it to where it's stored stuff. So what we wanna do right now is print the value. So first X and mouse for position Y. So let's run it now. Okay. You have to do some sort of like that shit like standard and like width. Oh, it's just incrementing. What could possibly be wrong here, honestly? What if instead of no, instead of here, we do it here? So instead of camera, we do this. Why not? Still requires this. Okay. Wait, so what? That is the copy of the camera, isn't it? So no matter where we click, it's all there. But so that's like no matter where we click. Gosh. That'll be for today. So we did not succeed with this one, and see you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll fix it.